Hi, I'm Carmen Lynn with Expert Village, and now we're going to talk about loops. So what are loops? Those are those things that you do on letters like H and Y and G, and we're going to look at the size and shape of the loop. So when we're talking about loops, we're talking about letters such as H, where you see there's an upper loop, or G, where there's a lower loop. Okay, now that would be what I would call a average size of loop. Now if you have a loop which is very rounded, that might be like that, you see how rounded it is, and that means a person who is very open to other people's ideas, what we call in hypnosis suggestible. All right, or you could have a loop which is not at all rounded, or in fact missing even, which might be like that or like that, and that is a person who is a lot less suggestible, less open to other people's ideas, tends to have their own opinion on things. They tend to be more analytical, more critical. And then another type of loop is a loop which is actually pointed at the top, if I can do that, or at the bottom, pointed. Yeah, I didn't do that very well, but you can try and see what I mean there. And anytime you have this point here, that indicates a level of neurosis. That's kind of like overthinking things. Okay. The other thing to look at with loops is, are we having an emphasis on the left-hand side or the right-hand side? You see what I mean, of the letter? So anything which is on the left-hand side indicates the past, and on the right hand side indicates the future. So this person here, if they had a loop like that, you might say that they are very, they tend to look back at the past a lot. They could be someone who is a little nostalgic, someone like that, and this would be someone who is a bit more forward thinking, likes to think about things in the future.